it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl, and today we have a fun video. We're gonna go over 10 last-minute DIY Halloween costume ideas. Now, I know it's right before Halloween, but if you're anything like me, at least this year, I am so last minute it ain't even funny. So I figured this might be something that would come in handy. They're easy to create. Now, all the SVGs I am used for these shirts is on our Patreon page for our $4 or more a month patrons. That is linked in the description box, as well as specialty materials, which is where I get my vinyl from. So that way, if you're interested, you can get it as well. So this was fun for me, and I thought it might be fun for y'all. So first up, we have our Squid Game. So if you've watched Netflix this year and you've watched Squid Game, you will know it is I think it's Korean horror show. These people are put into a game where they're playing children's games with deadly consequences, and it's super popular. So you can be your own Squid Game character. All you need is your shirt with your number, and possibly, if you want to wear it that way, you can wear it with like a tracksuit and be done with it. Super simple, super easy, and it's extremely recognizable. Then we have our Care Bear inspired shirt. So this would be for Grumpy, and this is just the royal blue Thermoflex Plus, but isn't that cute? So you'll have your own, you can be your own Care Bear, or as my husband would say, Jer Bear. Whenever he loved the Care Bears when he was little, and instead of saying Care Bear stare, he would say Jer Bear stare. I love that story, and I always, that is one of my favorite things. Next up is M&Ms. Now, the good thing about doing an M&M shirt is you can pretty much, if you're going as a group, or even the Squid Game, you can go as a group and each wear the same shirt or a different colored shirt, and it's super simple. But yeah, M&M. Next up would be our mild Live, Laugh, Taco. So this is kind of like the Taco Bell seasoning packs. Let me hold it back where you can see it. Isn't that cute? I love how that looks. It's making me look so orange. But I think that is so much fun. And you could make one for you. You could do it for your spouse. You see what I'm saying? Then we have our Crayon. Again, this is something that is super cute and easy. And this would also work well for teachers if you're doing color days or things like that. This is super cute. Okay, next up we have just our simple but still effective jack-o'-lantern face. Isn't that cute? I love that. Anytime I hold up orange in here though, it makes me look orange, so just forgive it. But I love that, and that has the Deco Film Soft Metallic in black, and that is so soft. I love that material. Then we have our skeleton shirt, our bones. Isn't that cute? Again, these are supposed to be simple, quick, easy, cheap kind of thing to make. Then, I love this. Team Rocket. You could be Jesse. You could be James. You could be, what was the, I know on Pokemon Go there's Giovanni and all these other things, but you could be any member of Team Rocket that you want to be. Now, this one was definitely special for my tech people, because if you know my husband, he works in IT, and this is what I made for him to wear, and this says error 404, costume not found. And this is something that is great too for those people who want them to be involved but they don't really want to dress up. And last but not least is the PacMan Ghost. Isn't that cute? So stinking cute. And again, you can make them in any color. And I think the names of them are Inky Blinky, something, and Clyde. Clyde's the orange one. But hopefully you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that will notify you when I post new videos. But I guess that's it, so we'll see y'all later.